This is a tutorial of the Cengage MindTap Reader and the Study Hub application within MindTap. The first page of a given MindTap Reader ebook contains a clickable table of contents. If you click on a subsection within there, it will take you right to it. To navigate back to that table of contents, you can click Chapter Contents at any time in the upper left. If you want to navigate simply to the next page or section, click on the gray arrow on the right-hand side. If you want to navigate backward, click on the gray arrow on the left-hand side. Once on a given page, words highlighted in bold blue are clickable and will provide you with the definition of that given term. In addition, you can highlight a given term within the ebook and click Dictionary to bring up the Merriam-Webster's Dictionary definition. You can make the text larger and smaller using the progressively bigger A's in the upper right. You can also bookmark the entire page clicking the bookmark icon. You can highlight a section of text and it brings up several different functions. You can highlight in various colors. You can also highlight a section of text and add a note. And click Save. Notes, highlights, and bookmarks all show up in the Study Hub application on the right-hand side. If you click on it, it looks like a yellow highlighter over top of a book. Click on the Notes and Highlights section, and then it should provide you with all your given chapter notes and highlights. You can expand these and view every note and highlight that you have made. If you want to delete one, simply click the trash can icon. If you want to view the Study Hub in full screen, you can close the ebook on the left-hand side and then click the Expand button for the Study Hub. You might want to print all of your notes and highlights. There is a print icon in the upper right. If you're using a browser like Google Chrome, you have the option to even save it as a PDF as well as sending it to a printer. Going back to the ebook, there may be certain sections that you want to refer back to, in which case you can click on the print icon in the upper right-hand corner to print that entire page. Finally, one of the very popular features of the MindTap Reader is the ability to have the text be read aloud to you using the Read Speaker function. There is an icon in the upper right that looks like a profile of a face with sound waves coming out of the mouth. Click on this and it will read the text out loud.
Conducting a functional behavioral assessment.
It will also follow the
FBA
word.
process typically involves several different components and steps.
At any point you can pause this, and you can even change the settings of the Read Speaker using the Read Speaker application on the right-hand side, which looks like a similar icon, again with a profile and sound waves coming off of the mouth. Clicking into this, you can change the reading speed from slow, medium, fast, or very fast. And you can even change the voice to be male-female, as well as male British and male Australian. You may want to search the ebook for a given term, which you can do using the magnifying glass Search This Course option in the upper right. If you click into there and type in a term, and click Enter, it will pull up instances within the glossary, and if you scroll further down, instances within the ebook. If you click on one of those ebook instances, it will take you to that section of the ebook with that particular phrase or reference.